Hey guys, good afternoon from Mazatlan. It is, what time is it? 12:44. DHL came to my house today at 5 minutes after 12. Dropped me off a bank card. Jeez, only taken a month and 3 days. So I jumped in the wheelchair and I beat it down to the bank to make sure it would work. And it worked. It gave me some cash. First time I've been able to take cash out of the bank since February 16, if you can believe it. Good Lord. I'm glad that saga's over, and I'm going to run right over Rocky here, this yappy fucking thing. Yeah. Always barking. So I thought it was appropriate to come down here on the way home underneath these streamer banners, party banners, and give you the good news. Oh, God, what a relief to have a bank card. A message on the bank machine. Don't forget your card. Yeah. No danger of that. Oh, my God. So, that's done. I'm going to go down now, have a beer at the Olympia, and ask Cynthia if she could please go over to the Oxo for me and pay my rent so it's finally up to date. Good Lord. Anyway, I didn't want to take the wheelchair there. That's where I got in a fight with the wheelchair. I was trying to get it off the sidewalk, up the step into the Olympia, and what a disaster that turned into. So, I'm still wearing the wounds from that one. Anyway, guys, you have a good afternoon. I certainly intend to. I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.